To maintain the performance of your permeable pavement, simple housekeeping steps must be done once or twice a year during the dry season. Permeable pavement helps reduce runoff and protect water quality. It's important to keep an eye on these features as they will need periodic maintenance. Standing water is a sign that your permeable pavement is not working correctly. Over time, sediment particles can fill the spaces where water drains. Moss also has a tendency to grow over permeable pavements. It's a good idea to start by familiarizing yourself with inlets, outlets, and any underdrains near the permeable pavement. Clear trash and any organic debris from inlets and outlets. If possible, sweep the pavement to remove small chips. Pressure washing using water alone is another option. Sweep up and dispose of debris after pressure washing. If ponding water persists, contact a specialized contractor to assess the pavement. Specialized machinery that washes and vacuums sediment and moss may be necessary. Contact your local jurisdiction for information about inspections and requirements specific to your stormwater facility.